Ever wondered why we snore while we sleep? Snoring happens when airflow through your nose and throat is partially blocked, making throat tissues vibrate. Sleeping on your side, clearing nasal congestion, losing extra weight, limiting alcohol, and maintaining healthy sleep positions all help. For persistent issues, try throat exercises or a humidifier. Sweet, silent sleep awaits. In addition to those factors, a relaxed throat during deep sleep can worsen snoring, and heavy drinking relaxes muscles too much. Narrow airways, enlarged tonsils, or sleep apnea also play a role. While snoring is common, loud or frequent snoring might signal health issues. You can use nasal strips, humidifiers, or specific throat exercises to strengthen muscles.